So this special feature called auto hold, what it does is if you're in line for McDonald's, In-N-Out, or just at a stoplight, you press this button here, auto hold, and it's gonna hold you even by releasing your foot off the brake. So for you to go forward, you just press on the gas pedal, and it's only gonna engage and the dash is gonna turn green, and it's also gonna only engage when you come to a full stop. And you can also turn it off if that's something you would like. Now, right under it, we have drive modes. So we have Eco, Normal, Sport, and My Drive. So Eco dials down everything to conserve energy. Then we have Sport, that amps up everything, which is the reverse or the polar opposite of Eco. So it's gonna stiffen up the steering wheel, it's gonna amp up the RPMs. Then when you have My Drive, which is pretty self-explanatory, you can choose how far you want the steering wheel to be in terms of heaviness, or the powertrain if you want it in Eco mode, Normal mode. And then you have Normal, which is pretty balanced, overall. All right, guys, so to access the drive mode settings on your 2026 Hyundai Palisade, you're gonna swipe left, go to Setup, you're gonna hit Vehicle, and then Drive Mode. So it's gonna show you My Drive Mode, so you click that, and it's gonna show you the different types of powertrain settings, if you can say it like that. So you have Eco, which dials down everything from power to heaviness of the steering wheel, so that you can have a lot more efficiency in fuel economy. So then you have your Normal, which is pretty self-explanatory. And then you have Sport, which amps up the RPMs, makes the steering wheel a little bit more heavier to anticipate a little bit more of an aggressive drive. So now Smart, it analyzes how much you're stepping on the gas pedal. So if you really step on it, it's gonna put it on Sport more for you. But if you're just cruising, it's gonna put it on Eco, which is gonna dial down everything, as I previously said. And then also here would be a setting called My Drive, so you can adjust if you want the car to drive as Smart or Normal, but you would have the choice to choose between Normal and Sport on the steering wheel. So you can choose if the steering wheel is going to be pretty heavy or pretty light.